Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to access the Qualtrics tutorial videos so you can have a greater understanding of Qualtrics. First, go to the Qualtrics project page by signing in from the UT Dallas site. Follow these steps if you do not know how to get to the Qualtrics project page. Search up Qualtrics, click the first link, click here, and then log on using your NetID and password. You might be given some prompts to make a new project, but instead click out of those windows and click the Help button in the top right corner. Select Support Site. At this Qualtrics site, you have access to many different resources like written tutorials and a community forum, but we are here for on-demand training, also known as Qualtrics Basecamp. So click the on-demand training icon to get to the Qualtrics tutorial videos. Now we are on the Basecamp website, where all the tutorials are housed. You can see the different categories of videos that Basecamp provides, but we are only interested in the research course section since that is the official project UT Dallas uses. Now, Qualtrics.com acts somewhat weird sometimes. Most times it requires you to log in, but other times it remembers you from our first time logging in to the Qualtrics project page earlier in this tutorial. If we are not already signed in, we must do that before jumping into watching videos, since these tutorials are only available to those that have permission to use Qualtrics. To log in with your UT Dallas account, click the Login button on the top right corner. Then click Sign in with SSO. Enter our organization ID, which is UT Dallas, no spaces and no caps. Sometimes Qualtrics might ask you to grant them the following permissions. Please always select Authorize or Yes, since they will not grant you access to their site if you reject this request. After entering your organization ID and accepting the request, you will either be signed in automatically or you will be brought to the UT Dallas single sign-on page. Simply enter your NetID and password and log in. After all this, you will finally be able to watch the videos that Qualtrics provides. Thank you and have a great day.